She's probably not gonna be in the video. So yeah, introduce yourself.
Natalie. I'm Skylar. I'm happy to be back. Say your name. K.B. Maya.
Nehemiah. And there's Diamond. Today we're going to the beach. Yesterday was my birthday, and we just because my birthday I want to be by myself, just me. So we're going to the beach. We're gonna vlog the whole day. She might be in charge of vlogging.
Oh, I guess. Okay, so I'm getting paid by the hour?
Nope.
Did I say how she do me? No.
I'm pumping the gas. Why didn't you put it the back way?
I don't know.
Why is she not vlogging? You don't want to vlog? Can you put that up there?
Not until we actually start holding it. I don't like holding it.
I'm pumping the gas.
Nobody cares. But you pumping the gas. It's hot. You drinking that there? Look, I made your nail.
That's cute. She does Gotcha Life. Go subscribe to her channel if you're into that. She has a brother who does YouTube too.
Oh, dang, I thought it was a balloon.
Look at Diamond.
I thought Diamond knows the balloon.
I need some.
What are you playing? Don't ask.
I walk through in this bitch, dragged out, but I can count on my hands. I'ma talk to in this bitch. Girls who lost in this bitch. Yeah, they barely, barely 21, that's very legal. When they doing shit, it's probably barely legal. Oh man, it's that nigga that you probably least suspected. I just had a couple dots that ain't connected. Now you top 5, getting redirected from here on out. It'll be consecutive. He making moves like Tarantino, like JJ Abrams, moving like Channing Tatum, moving like Jason Statham.
So where are we at, guys? Where are we? We are at my Uncle Jay's shop. Talk.
Huh? What?
Where are we?
We're at
She's slow.
the uncle.
We are. This is one stop away from being at the beach. My mom just wanted to come down here. Look at Diamond.
Diamond. Come here, Diamond.
But y'all see that pimple in my face? Disgusting. Why don't you want to be in it?
I am. What are you saying? Lighting.
What are we gonna do when we go to the beach?
I don't know. We're in the ocean.
What are we gonna do when we go to the beach?
We can't lay down because.
Anyways, y'all see my new phone?
So nobody cares.
Give me it.
Then you don't even hold
Drop
on to it.
it.
Good. Hold on to it like this. To all your mercy.
Anyways, we'll see you guys at the beach. Bye. So, where are we going, guys? We're going to Fort Monroe. I don't know if you can see that up there.
I swallowed plastic.
They say Fort Monroe. We're going to the beach.
Not Monroe.
We're going to the beach.
Monroe.
Party,
You know what I
beach
meant.
party.
Oh, I'm just saying, cause
She
y'all
wanna
love,
be
y'all love,
Mr. Smart Guy.
y'all love correcting me.
You wanna be
boy.
in the video?
Let me.
It ain't Monroe. It's Monroe. Yeah. You spit.
Stop slinging that water everywhere.
That's just spit. That's not water.
Y'all see the ocean?
It's not water.
It's so pretty. I'm scared. I would never stand right in the sand.
It's under that ocean.
Not for me. Not for me.
I do jump
Save
in
the
that
turtles.
ocean.
Guys, save the turtles.
Oh, God. Alright, bet. Let me go jump in the ocean. Come on.
Oh, I would be so
Get bit by
scared.
sharks.
If somebody like
Get
offered me
bit
$1
by
million, oh, I would be so scared, but I would do it. I would be so scared though.
You deserve to get bit by a shark.
It didn't happen, but yeah, we're just looking at boats. I've always wanted to have a boat, just to be out in the middle of the ocean, and so I can name it Lucky. guys once we actually get on the beach. We're at the beach. Diamond, do not poop. Please don't. I'm not ready to be, and she's peeing.
Already.
Anyways, we're in the beach. It's not that many people, but we're like antisocial, so
Doesn't matter.
we not trying to.
Can you go back to the car and get me a bag? Just
Go get mama back.
I'm pretty sure it's a Walmart bag in there.
And then, yeah, so Natty, it's time.
Put it on your hand, yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna be up in here for a little bit. So what are we doing?
We're getting on the sand.
And the police officer ain't got out the car and
Say something. Anyway. She would have a thing on her though. Wouldn't she?
There's service dog on the
Well,
I
I thought it was Miss Ashley. I'm excited. We're gonna have fun, y'all.
No, we know.
Let's go somewhere where it's no people at.
No, there's an open end over here.
Oh, we about to go talk to the police. I'm scared. We'll see y'all when we about to get in the water and we taking pictures. I'll probably put the pictures in the video. So, how was your guys' swim?
Good.
We had some pictures. I might insert them. Smell like seafood out here.
Like some crawfish or something.
You so how was your stay?
Good.
What was your favorite part?
The swimming part.
No, go into detail.
Oh, that almost drowned. Yeah.
She did not. She know how to swim.
My
look
favorite
black.
part is when I got in the water and I
When you
went
first started.
and I went deep.
My favorite part was seeing the dolphins.
Oh yeah, that was
I might insert those clips
what?
when we saw the dolphins. The dolphins, I didn't get that on tape, but they came really close. Like, we almost could swim out to them. My brother, yeah, he yeah, we don't talk about that. He is like very particular and he doesn't like sand between his toes while he's walking. So that's why my mom's yelling right now, because there's sand in his shoes, which is so backwards because he always, no, I'm not going through there, because he always wears Crocs like when he's outside playing, but as soon as we go anywhere else where we're supposed to just be relaxing, he wears actual shoes.
I want to see if there's more dolphins. Yeah, my pinky hurt. I took off that acrylic.
Yeah, and we also left Diamond with my auntie because dogs aren't allowed to be here except September to like May, I think.
So if y'all ever come to this beach,
We are in, I don't know what it's called. What is it called?
it's Virginia or something. It's, what type of beach is this?
What's the beach called? It's Monroe Beach in Virginia.
Yeah.
So,
Y'all know where Monroe is.
and it's not as crowded as Hampton Beach. At least I don't think so. So right now we're just going to, I think, go get Diamond. Probably chill with my auntie for a few more minutes, maybe an hour, and then we'll get right back on the road and go home with Diamond and everybody else. Because I'm not trying to waste my storage on my other phone. This is why I wanted 2 phones.
The ghetto.
I know what I'm doing. But as soon as I film one video, storage gone. So, anyways, I'm recording on my old iPhone 6. I just got an iPhone, what's it called? iPhone 11 for my birthday, which was yesterday. And my mom's complaining about me using this phone. But that's why I wanted 2 phones, so I can record YouTube videos and not run out of storage. So, I'll see you guys once I don't look this black. Bye. Period. So, we're in the car now. I'm sweating. There is sand all over my toes. Oh, that's gross. I got a tan. A little tiny tan. Let me see your tan.
I got no tan.
Yes, you did.
Oh, yes, I did.
Show your tan. Show your tan.
Why are you so short?
Yeah. Nehemiah, we can't really see your tan because, yeah. Mom, you got a tan? Sure. Yeah, she definitely got a tan. But now where are we going? To Aunt Thomas? To get Diamond?
Yeah.
We're going to stay a few minutes or are we about to leave?
Probably stay long enough for me to smoke a cigarette.
So we're about to leave. Seawater tastes gross. Not to say I was in there like drinking it, but when it gets on your lips, it's gross. This vlog is gonna probably be kind of short. I don't know. This is our first time being in Fort Lauderdale Beach. What beach did we go to last time?
Buck Row.
Oh, we went to Buck Row Beach.
I did.
This one is better.
Yeah, it's smaller, so it's not as many people. Like, it's small, but I don't know how to explain it. Like, I guess not a lot of people know about this one.
Well, I'm pretty sure that all the people don't want to drive out here. But I don't even understand why not, because Buck Row is seriously, like, literally right up the street. Like, it's just across the water.
Yeah, Buck Row, I think it's dirtier.
Yeah, it's all that wretchedness out here.
I'm not saying it like that. I'm saying like it's like the water. Of course, the water's not crystal clear, but
That's what I'm saying. It's like a whole bunch of wretchedness going on out there. And then you got all those there are people out there and they just like throwing trash and stuff on the ground and like all that. Like, cause you remember we even see dirty diapers out here.
No, you put dirty diaper. No, that's not sure.
I don't know.
Yeah,
We went to the Money Beach where people pay taxes.
The Buck Row don't even have no lifeguards.
The show don't. So we
I don't remember.
So, and even that girl got bit by a jellyfish at one time.
No, that was
Or stung. I mean,
that was
in
Yorktown.
well, it's great.
They had lifeguards out there too though.
I didn't see it. I don't remember that.
I think
But this girl, she got stung by a jellyfish. Were they saw jellyfish? No, I think she got stung by a jellyfish.
somebody got stung by it and it was like mad jellyfish.
Yeah, there was a lot. Right when you like into the water. No, actually, they say peeing on it makes it feel worse. So I don't know.
yeah, it'll make it stink more.
So yeah,
And I think if you pee on it,
it'll soothe it for the.
what's that, like cleans it or something.
I thought it soothes it.
I
don't
just
know.
People just say
If you pee on your leg or whatever. Anywho, y'all, I got just disgusting. All of this. Period. That what's it called? The seawater dried my face out and it made it dirty. You feel that?
I got some tan.
My tan go hard. Not really. It's crazy. You can only sit out there for like an hour and still get a tan. Like, I don't know. I'm kind of sleepy now. Ate before we came. And now I'm kind of sleepy. I'm kind of sleepy and I'm hungry again. But yeah, we will see you guys later. And now we
At the light, keep right onto East Mercury Boulevard.
There's a sign. We are. Oh, look at me. That water really dried me out, yo. Broke me out.
We were in the car for 3 hours.
Anyway, I'll come back in the cave. Anyways, we are actually home now. She's over there. And she's over there. They don't want to be in it. When this was their idea to vlog, but whatever. Yes, it was. It was like, we should vlog while we're at the beach. And we kind of did, we kind of didn't because we were in the water, so. Yeah, just sand in my feet. It just, and I'm tired, if you cannot tell.
Well, do y'all want to just wash off right here? No. Y'all got some baby suits. All I gotta do is spray it in.
I want to shower.
I'm gonna do that and then take a shower.
I mean, yeah, you
Mom, I think he needs something.
can still take a shower, but you know, at least you
Get
put
water
this in,
down so
you
you don't feel uncomfortable while you're sitting.
know? Bring your headphones off the what?
That's my dog, Diamond. In there, she's yelling. Spray her body, not her face. But yeah, after I'm done showering.
I'm watering myself down.
What are we gonna do after we shower?
I thought we were gonna do that thing.
The question? Did you come up with a question?
Yeah.
We're gonna do a Q&A, and
Maybe.
that should be uploaded after this video. Maybe.
Oh, man, if you went upstairs and see what's going on with
That's what she can't do.
So
I want Mike to go because he's
stay tuned.
I'm going.
Stay tuned for Q&A. He probably did.
That's why I know. I just saw her.
Because he usually goes in there.
But yeah.
She's gonna post the Q&A about a week or two from now.
No, we're not. It's gonna be uploaded right after this one. So whenever this one come out, this one and the other one's gonna come out too. So stay tuned for that. Yeah. And we're gonna.
Good trip.
Yeah, it was long.
And then the dog threw
And
up.
period. Diamond threw up in the bag. That was disgusting. And then another thing we're gonna do
I thought going to the beach was fun.
is, what's the other thing we said we was gonna do? Face routine. That's whenever I get my face care stuff, because I have it, but I don't have everything that I normally have because I
We
ran
gotta
out.
hurry up because I think I might leave Saturday.
Yeah, and she's leaving soon. This Saturday? It's Wednesday.
Yeah.
It's Wednesday. She's leaving. No, just playing. So, yeah. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for that. Period.